Hi, I'm Tessie Faye. I'm an artist and surface pattern designer with a passion for helping women create beautiful and joyful homes. I recently took my big dream of becoming a fabric designer and turned it into a reality as I launched my first fabric line, Pink Lemonade, with Wyndham Fabrics. In today's class, I will teach you the step-by-step process I took to land my first big licensing deal in the fabric industry. I will take you behind the scenes as I attended Quilt Market, as I met with art directors, and exactly how I talked about and promoted my portfolio. Even though I'll be sharing my specific experience of attending Quilt Market, the tips and tricks I will share will be helpful for anyone who is wanting to show their portfolio to an art director face to face. I had a big dream and it became a reality, and I know that you can do it too. Let's talk about how I became a fabric designer. Let's get started.